You hear there's a problem.
It's a big spider, but it's brown.
That helps.
I know. That's my point. It moved. That's how I saw it. Whoa, I'm gonna fall. See the pretty tree? It's a really cool tree. Don't poke me. What's wrong?
I don't know.
Okay. 2. See, nature is so much fun. Snap.
Don't. You're bad at snap, genius. That happened to me.
Wow, that's a fun sound.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh. Spider.
No, that's not.
La 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 la
la. Hey. Almost fell.
Why don't you kick it?
I still don't see that spider, which worries me.
It went in the tree.
Wait, in the tree?
Yeah, there was a hole. It was.
Touch it. So pop out of nowhere. Grr.
Don't pop out where it came from. Or went.
Hey, wait, don't we have to go?
Coming! See, you heard it that time, right?
Yeah.
Let's go.
That's just.
So go back to the camera, people.
Good.